We have Lainey here, and she's going to show us how to set up a balloon and a stent for an interventional procedure. So she's filling up the syringe with 50/50, contrast and saline. She fills it up with 20 cc's, and she's going to fill the indeflator from the 20 cc syringe. Next, we're going to prep the balloon. With a balloon, we do 2 negative preps. Then we're going to move over to our table. We have our guiding catheter, our 2E, that we're going to hook up. We're going to connect that to our 3-port manifold and flush through it. When we flush the guide, we want to flush it from the manifold, and we want to loosen up the 2E connector so that we're flushing both ports of the 2E. And then once we screw it down, it flushes the tip of the catheter as well. And then normally we would put our 035 wire through there to hand that guiding catheter to the doctor.
Doctor.
Mm-hmm.
So we're up.
Okay. Once the doctor has the guiding catheter positioned,
So 4x4.
and then we'll remove our guide wire. Okay. Next step is we're going to hand the physician the 014 wire, so we're flushing it. We try to leave it in the package because it keeps it from getting sprung. Attach the guide wire introducer. And then at that point we'd hand it to the doctor. At that point the doctor will try to shape the tip of the wire, the shape that they want it. And then once they got their shape, they'll introduce it through the 2E.
Basically, we had done the Epson Interactive, we had put podium.
And the doctor will take control of the wire at this point, and so we remove the guide wire introducer. And then you want to put on their steering device. You slide it down. When you slide down your steering device, make sure you don't pull on your wire, because at that point they probably have the wire in the coronary. And then the doctor will take control of the guide wire. Once they get the guide wire across the lesion, then the next thing is we're going to put our balloon catheter on our guide wire. So at this point, we can take the balloon out of the package, remove the stylet, and the tricky part is putting the balloon on the guide wire. This is a rapid exchange, so the guide wire is going to come out of the balloon at that point, balloon catheter. And then we would fix our guide wire and the doctor would take control of the balloon catheter. Okay, let me stop here.